SOUN looks weak right now. Honestly, the chart has been in a pretty steady decline and every bounce attempt keeps getting sold. We're sitting around 690, barely above support at 678. That's really the level holding this thing together. If buyers lose that area, I think downside risk increases pretty quickly. For me personally, I'm not touching this unless it can reclaim 730 and start putting in higher lows. Right now, the market isn't rewarding hope trades. I want to see actual demand show up before I start getting interested again. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.